Hello everyone, today I'm at a construction site and I want to show you guys how this Plum Gator 6 is super durable. I'm going to show you guys a drop test. I'll be throwing it on some rocks, some objects, and also I'll be putting it in water, submerging the phone to show you guys the overall durability of this beautiful phone. It's a 4G phone, beautiful cameras, very smooth phone. I'm going to be showing you guys the first test. Phone's perfectly fine. Next, I'll be putting this phone. I'll throw it against this object right here. I'll be throwing the phone against an object right here. Just pick up this phone, check it out. As you can see, the phone works perfectly fine still. Next, you're throwing the phone up in the air, very high, and I want to show you guys how this phone can survive a very far drop. So the phone has fell in these rocks right here. And as you can see, there's no scratches at all. The phone is perfectly fine. It still functions amazing. Now I want to show you guys how this phone can survive your average drop test. As you can see, there's a lot of rocks here. I just want to throw this phone and drop it in these rocks. That's about a 5-foot drop, guys. And as you can see, the phone is working perfect. Very durable, as you can see. Now, I'll be walking through some rocks. So now you see, I'm by some rocks, and I'll be dropping this phone onto some rocks. Very sharp rocks, you know. I'm gonna drop the phone into these rocks. Still good. That's lightweight. No scratches or anything on this phone. Very good. Look at the durability on that phone, guys. Pretty insane. As you can see, this big puddle right here. I'm going to and now as I take it out of the water, you can see the phone is perfectly fine, works all good.